Imagine fueling your best friend with the same kind of wholesome, delicious meals you'd prepare for your own family. That's the power of homemade dog food. For years, we've been told kibble is the convenient, balanced answer for our canine companions. But is it truly the best option? Let's dive into why homemade dog food consistently outshines commercial kibble, starting with the incredible advantage of fresh, whole ingredients. When you make your dog's food at home, you have complete control. You choose high-quality protein sources, a variety of nutrient-rich vegetables, and beneficial grains or starches, ensuring your dog gets exactly what they need to thrive. Kibble, on the other hand, often relies on dehydrated, processed ingredients and generic meat byproducts that can lack the vital nutrients and flavor that dogs crave. Secondly, it's all about customization. Every dog is an individual with unique dietary needs, sensitivities, and health goals. Does your dog have allergies? Are they managing a health condition like kidney disease or diabetes? With homemade food, you can tailor recipes precisely to address these specific requirements, something impossible with mass-produced kibble. Think about the unseen components in kibble: artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives designed for shelf life. Not necessarily for optimal canine health, these can contribute to digestive issues, allergies, and even long-term health problems. With homemade, you eliminate these artificial additives entirely, opting instead for nature's own goodness, leading to a shinier coat, healthier skin, more sustained energy, and better digestion. So, if you want to provide your furry family member with the ultimate in nutrition, tailor-made for their well-being, and free from questionable additives, it's time to consider the homemade difference. Your dog will thank you for it.